London to Land's End, day one. Hello. So, you heard it right, 8-day trip, 9-day trip, 9 days. Roughly 70 to 80k a day. Sundays a little bit less, Sundays a little bit more, so very chill. Going a very indirect route just to stay more off-road, see more nice things along the way. It's about 730 kilometers in total. It could have been around 600 or so, but I want to see some cool stuff on the way, like Stonehenge again, and a load of other cool places. So yeah, gonna do that. It's a bit overcast. This is hopefully the only day where it's gonna like rain really badly, but we'll see. All right, let's carry on. Eastbound. So we've basically, the whole of day one is just getting out of London. So it's 90 kilometers of just probably something like this. We are going east past like Heathrow, so it's just a giant long straight road, and eventually we'll pop out the other side into final destination Henley-on-Thames, where I'm camping tonight. So there'll be a nice little bit of greenery at the end. It's going to be a chill day, I think. So yeah, the weather forecast has got patches of rain today and cloudy, but it starts clearing up tomorrow and then just seems to get better and better throughout the week, so I think I'm going to be good. Oh yeah, the sights and sounds of London. A long busy road and eventually a big fucking airport. To be fair, I just came a very direct route through Central, so I missed most of the monuments. Maybe next time I'll get some video of that. Central London never gets old. You always see a new building or a new interesting thing every time you visit, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, I think next video will be when I get to Heathrow, because I'm just going to follow this road for like an hour or something. Well, at least we're going the right way. This is the infamous Westway Highway. I am partial to a bit of chunky concrete. I'm sure a lot of people around here aren't though. So yeah, been following this very straight long road for a while. Coming up to Heathrow that way, but this is where you can turn off onto which canal is it? The Grand Union, and you start heading up to like Oxford and do a bunch of other routes from there. So yeah, this is where I normally turn off, so it's going to be fun fun in inverted commas to see where this road leads. All right, catch you later. I'm on Hotel Alley, right opposite Heathrow. I haven't seen any planes go by yet. This road is still very long and very straight, and it's still mountain bike territory if you ask me. Right, let's see if we can find a plane. Found one. Not in the air though. Bit disappointing. Alright, we're about 40, what are we? 42 kilometers in, so we're almost halfway. Oh, there goes one. Anyway. Yeah, I'm going to follow this long straight road for another, I don't know, 20 kilometers or so. See you soon. Look, we've had a plane. I just spotted it. And it's gone. Oh well. Yeah, well, the cycle track has given up. Now it's just real fucking dodgy pavement to follow, and barely any like push signs at junctions. So I've almost died once. That was fun. Yeah, maybe there's a better way to get out of London this direction that doesn't involve following this dodgy Hill main road. But this is the most direct route. I want to get this part over and done with as soon as possible, because tomorrow the good stuff starts. We got the Ridgeway Trail. That'll be going to Marlborough. We're going to stop there tomorrow night at a place called Poston Hill, which is right next to Savernake Forest. And then the day after that we're heading through Wiltshire past Stonehenge, and we're staying at the Stonehenge campsite, which I've stayed at once before. That's a really nice place. And then the day after that, I can't remember, I'll have to look at the map. Probably some more Wiltshire stuff. Probably some more just, you know, classic Wiltshire things, just Neolithic stone circles all over the place. Alright, let's see where this road takes us. Just remembered I haven't shown you all the wagon yet. So this is about double the weight it normally is. We've got all kinds of food and drink here and here as well. Most of my clothes in the front here. Tent, sleeping bag in these pods at the back, along with a load more clothes and all my electronics and stuff. Repair stuff and wet weather gear in here. And a bunch of food again in here. Yeah, it's an absolute brick, but it's an excellent setup. So these pods are both new. Last year I was just bike packing with this and just strapped a load of stuff to the back here, which worked alright, but you're kind of like, if it rained everything would have been wet, so everything's dry bagged now, so fantastic stuff. Yeah, gonna carry on. National speed applies. I'm probably not gonna make it. I am not really sure where I am. I'm off the long straight road, thank goodness. There was a tiny bit of trail, then I went for a little town, and now I'm somewhere else. I have no idea. There's a reservoir next to me. What does the map say? Nothing yet. Yeah, guess I'm following this major road for a while. Fun times. Man, this whole day one video is just going to be pure shit. It's just me cycling down a main road complaining about it. Let's do some more of that. And just like that, we're on some off-road trails, and oh god, my bike's about to get completely destroyed. One moment. Feels good. I was a bit worried that the trails are going to be really boggy, and wet, but it's not too bad. Once the sun comes out, it'll be perfect, I think. Still don't know where I am, but I'm definitely going towards Reading. So I think I have to go, I think I'm going north of Reading and then around the Thames to Henley, if I remember correctly. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I haven't seen a soul out here for like 10 minutes. Considering it's right next to a heavily built up area, it's weird. Oh hey, there's a castle over there. What the fuck? What castle is that? Oh, it's a park. Maybe it's not a castle, it just has a turret. Following the Jubilee River now. Let's see where it takes us. Grab it! Look at this duck here. He's like, fucking hell, paddle! Almost there, only another 10k to go. Very chill first day. And the sun's out. Well, for like 30 seconds maybe. Look at this. Finally getting some of that country action that was promised. Yeah, we're only about, I don't know, 5-6 kilometers from the campsite. It's right up against the river, so it should be quite nice, and it's only a short walk into town to get something to eat. So yeah, it should be quite good. Yeah, this route got a hell of a lot better as soon as I got out of West London and that long straight road. Nearly there. Stopped at a nice cafe called Velo Life. Had an amazing chocolate brownie. Just that final bit of energy to make it to the campsite. Shouldn't be too far now. I thought I was very close, but I was actually like 15 kilometers away, so yeah, apparently I can't read. This is what I'm talking about. The sun is out, the hills are out, campsite is just around the corner. I swear it is. This route keeps getting longer. What the hell's going on? My goodness, look at this. I need to get out to this part of the country more often, I think. There's plenty of trails to explore around here. Trip over ancient bronze arrowheads and God knows what else. Alright, let's find this campsite. Going that way. Alright, we're here. Ta-da! The bike is half as heavy as it once was, and that's where I'm gonna hopefully sleep tonight, because I am tired. I only got about 4 hours last night. I was so nervous. Yeah, got the river right there. There's the Tough Mudder event happening literally behind that tree line. I'm sure someone at work was telling me that they were doing that, or had a friend that was doing that this weekend. I had no idea where it was, but it's, yeah, it's right there. This campsite is pretty incredible. Toilet, showers, drinking water, charging points, food brought on site. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, I'm gonna have a nice chill and probably pick things back up tomorrow morning.